You upload a short and it barely gets any views, maybe just a few hundred. And right away you would think, is there something wrong with my video? But actually that's often not the case. Most of the time it's because you're uploading your shorts incorrectly. YouTube doesn't push your shorts to shorts feed if you skip key steps. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything. The proper way to upload shorts, upload using mobile or PC, which hashtags you should actually use, description and tags still matter, and finally the best time to publish for maximum views. Let's get started. You can technically upload shorts from the YouTube app, a browser like Chrome, or from YouTube Studio. But here's what most people don't know. If you use Chrome on desktop or mobile, you won't be able to add a custom thumbnail. And more importantly, you can't add trending songs. That's why I avoid browsers or desktop completely. I always use the YouTube mobile app and YouTube Studio to upload shorts. But here's what a lot of people do wrong. They just hit the plus button and post the short without thinking. That's a huge mistake. Open your YouTube app, tap the plus icon and select the short you want to upload. But for this video, I'm going to be recording it. YouTube will process the video briefly, tap done. You'll see some editing options on the right side. For now, skip them. You can use it in your convenience. What's important for us is the sound. Let's first add music. Tap the add sound button. Choose a trending or viral song. This alone can dramatically increase your reach. After picking your sound, hit adjust. You can balance between the original sound and music here. When done, press X. Tap next, and now it's time to set your custom thumbnail. Tap the pencil icon at the top left. The best YouTubers use an eye-catching moment from their shorts as the thumbnail. That's because good thumbnails increase clicks dramatically. But what if your video has no exciting frames to show? Simple. Add a vibrant, high-contrast image or catchy visual at the end of your video. Just keep it short. 0.7 seconds is perfect. When you upload, just choose that moment as your thumbnail. Easy and effective. Now, let's write a strong title. Short, punchy, and clickable. That's the goal. Start with 2 attention-grabbing keywords. If your video is about laptops, specifically, let's just call it HP, your title could be HP Laptops Features. Those first 2 words matter the most, because people usually read only that while scrolling. Make them bold. Consider using all caps. Here's another trick. Add a small emoji at the end of your title. It draws the eye, but make sure it's related. Now for hashtags, just keep it simple. Use only shorts in your title. Whether it's a 10-second or 55-second short, this is all you need. Don't add 5 to 10 hashtags. That can confuse the algorithm or flag it as spam. When your title is ready, don't publish just yet. Set your visibility unlisted first. Many people skip the description, thinking no one reads it. But YouTube's algorithm reads it. And that matters for your video's SEO. Start with a short sentence that describes your video. Then, add 5 to 6 keywords related to your topic. Use tools like vidIQ to find related keywords. Or simply type your topic into YouTube and grab keywords suggestions. Paste them into your description with commas. Now, add 3 to 5 hashtags. Start with shorts. Click on Add Tags section. Tags have low impact, but I will still suggest putting tags like shorts and viral shorts. Also include tags based on your niche and your channel name. After the tags, select the relevant category. I will suggest unchecking the show how many viewers like this video, as people tend to leave when they see low counts of likes. Turn on allow remixing. If someone remixes your video, it's a free exposure. Last step, go to visibility, set to public, and tap save. Now, when should you upload? Uploading during off-peak hours like 1 AM can sometimes get more traction due to less competition. But generally, in weekdays from 6 to 10 PM and anytime on the weekend. That's when more people are relaxed and scrolling shorts. Got any questions? Drop a comment below. Hit subscribe and like if this helped. See you in the next one.